Sadie's shop, but sure is busy. Especially on the art walk. Those things are way, way more powerful than I expected. So many years has been kind of crazy, huh? How many people we've visited it so well. Anyway. Here we are. Sadie's, number one place. In a minute, I'll be telling you something that I watched yesterday. It's gonna be a big recap on the story.
Look at you.
I'm filming things in order to boost efficiency here.
Oh, that's
All of a sudden,
smart.
I got a cold. Now what you need? Food?
Sadie, we've been having some great adventures here.
Have you?
Yeah.
Good.
You know about these right here, Sadie? You'll never believe what I saw. Or read or listened to.
I'm about to get in the garden.
Oh, are you getting that? Are you working on the garden today?
When I go home, I'm going to.
What? What's the bus doing here?
Good.
What? Who's it that? Oh, I know.
Hi.
Hey, Aldo, what's up? I'm learning how to film things, so
Good. Are you going to be a TV producer?
one of these days, yeah.
Good.
Sorry.
That is really cool. What kind of birds are you going to do, Aldo?
I got some cilantro, chives, rosemary. They have a couple of
I should have brought the drawing pad when I had the chance. But I don't have the chance anymore, so I'm useless. In no time, and I'll tell you exactly what I listened to at night, and I will give a recap. In the meantime, watch this excerpt from a video I watched. Now it's time for the recap on the famous Backyardigans creepypasta, Playtime is Over, Part 1. It started out with Pablo being in an interrogation office telling the police about an incident that happened to him and his friends. It turned out that he was kidnapped along with his friends Shaniqua and Tyrone and Austin, and this one other girl I don't remember.
Looking at a dirty
I forgot
old
her name.
window. Down below the cars in the city go rushing by. I
This hitman
sit
kidnapped
here
them and ended up
alone and I
taking the
wonder
jaw off of
why.
Shaniqua.
And everyone's moving.
The other
I
girl's
can
face,
feel the
and
heat,
then
but it's
cutting
soothing
up
and
Tyrone.
down.
And he was about to kill
I
Austin.
search for
Help
the
spat out that little
beat in
kidnapping.
this
Now,
world. Down
don't,
the
and beg the guy to stop. The guy promised to stop and not kill Austin. I can't tell you the whole entire thing, but he ends up throwing up. And that's the end of my recap. If you want to see the video of the pasta for yourself, I will put that in the link. Stay tuned for part 2 recap.